Hey there, this is Zach from Momentum, and today I'll talk about local schema markup, how it can help local brands get leverage on their competition, and how it can help you stand out in your local vertical. Local schema markup is basically a type of data which you can use to add context to the existing data on your site. For example, if you have a local business website and you have your address on it, that's awesome. But Google wants to know specifically what is an address and what is a reference to another address. What is the actual address for the business? What is the actual phone number for the business? What is the phone number for the emergency line? Who is this business related to? Where does this business service? What are the hours? Google wants to know all this information so they can service their users searching for things better. If you can add context to this data, you can help Google help their users find you more. So basically, this is the local schema markup that I supplied in the blog post. And I'm going to go through exactly what each of these mean and how you should implement it on your site. This is the local schema markup for the testing tool. So you can take all of this right here, copy, you can go new test, add it in as a code snippet, and click run test. It'll basically go through the data and tell you where there's any errors in the markup. Okay, so if we go through piece by piece, we say type, we're a local business, professional service. We're open Monday to Sunday. The actual name of the business, this is key because we're using Phone Repair Philly, Max local phone and electronics repair company as the example. Phone Repair Philly is a commercial search term someone might search, such as how to fix my phone in Philadelphia, cell phone repair Philadelphia, as well as the actual name of a business. So we want to differentiate the two for Google. So it's the name of our company. We'll add it there as an item prop name Phone Repair Philly. Just add it in there. Price range, you can tell Google the exact price range. This is awesome for restaurants. If you have a restaurant and you can add this type of data, you can see the actual dollar signs in the search results. It can help users make a better decision. For example, if I type in, best sushi in Philadelphia or stuff like that, you often see it in like Yelp listings as well with the stars. That's basically local schema markup. The actual URL associated with the website, so they know it's us. That's associated with this exact schema markup. The same as right here, these are pretty important. Basically connects us to third-party data aggregators. So we want to say we are Phone Repair Philly, we are a business as seen in this Yelp.com profile, as seen in this Facebook.com profile, as seen in this Twitter.com profile. Now the key to this is if I go over here and type in Phone Repair Philly, you'll see they have our Facebook profile here. They have our reviews. They have our Facebook votes right here. They have all mobile phone repair shop. So they're correlating the data found on Facebook, Twitter, Yelp with the data from the Google My Business profile, with the data on your website. So they're able to trust us more, so they're able to rank us higher. Same thing can be said. As soon as we type in Phone Repair Philly, you pretty much dominate the first page. This is us. These are all our locations and inner pages, which Google puts there on their own. This is us right here in the knowledge graph, they call this. This side thing you see is called the knowledge graph. Our Yelp listings and another Yelp listing. So they know exactly what our business is about. We switch back to here. We can add ratings in. Sometimes they'll show those rating stars. Sometimes they won't. That's totally up to Google, unfortunately. At this time, you can't really promise that they'll show those stars. We can add in the exact address, 935 Spring Garden Street, Philadelphia. The exact phone number, 267-603, 267-603. So they're correlating the two, like I said before. If we scroll down further, you can see we actually have the exact coordinates, content, and longitude and latitude. So if we go over here, and when you add the actual URL in this game, we go share. This is how I do it. Click short URL, Control C, and you take that back here. And which one am I looking for? The map right here, exactly the map one. You just pop it in here. The bottom down here, we take the latitude and longitude from the maps. So if you didn't know, by the way, this is a latitude and longitude right here. 39 and minus 75. You don't really have to use any extra tools to look it up. Add it in there. Click search. Click validate, and it does everything. Now there are two errors. I'll explain those. Image, first of all, an image is only really needed for a blog post, such as a featured image. Google is saying we should add one here, but in this case it's a local business, so I don't really think an image is required. And telephone, we already have a telephone up here. So, right, it's a phone in this format, one area code and then the rest of the number. So adding this into your site doesn't look very ugly, and it's not going to interfere with the actual layout of the site at all. For example, it looks basically like this, right? Phone repair Philly, and the actual thing. All this other markup stuff is basically hidden. Google will read it, but it doesn't affect the end user, and it's basically hidden context for Google to understand as an algorithm and to connect with other entities. So this is going to be key if you're doing any kind of local business work. We do it for all our clients, especially small brands that are trying to get a leg up and trying to get more established. We need to draw a connection between them, their business, other third-party entities, and get them showing up in Google for the actual searches that people need. Phone repair Philly, cell phone repair in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, not Philadelphia, Ohio, not Philadelphia, New Mexico, but actually Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. If you need any help or you want me to just take a look at your site for a quick free consultation for schema markup or any kind of on-page stuff, feel free to reach out to Momentum. We'd love to help you. And if you have any questions about this post specifically, post below and I'll love to respond. Thanks and have a great day.